Hi guys, happy Monday. I hope you had a great long weekend and enjoyed your day off on Friday. This week we are continuing our work in Scratch. We'll probably only be doing this another couple weeks. But on your Flipgrid this week, make sure you give me some feedback and tell me if you're liking it, if you're wanting to change up and maybe switch gears a little bit and do something else. So I really appreciate and value your opinion, so make sure you share it with me on your Flipgrid. But going back to this week's assignment, so aside from your everyday warm-ups, which I hope you're doing, you're going to go to your Scratch and sign in. Hopefully you have everything saved in there. And just like we've been doing the last couple of weeks, you're going to go to Create at the top, and then you're going to find the tutorials. Except this week, you're allowed to do a free choice. So the last couple of weeks, I've assigned you ones that I thought would be good ones to get started with, but this time you get to pick two that you want to try out. So any two of these, from this list, you'll complete. And when it's done, remember so let's say we did this one. And after we've saved it, so we're done with it now, and we do save now, we're going to rename it whatever this was called, which was Imagine. So I will click File, Save Now, and then click Share. And remember, that gives me this right here, Copy Link. So once I get this link right here, then I'm ready to turn it into Ms. Fernandez. So when you're done with both of your projects, you will go to Teams. You will click on Assignments, and under Assignments you should see this one that says Free Choice Scratch Tutorials. You'll click on that. Yours will look like this, and then you will open it up. It looks like a Microsoft Forms, which it is, and then you will tell me the name of it. So the one I did was Imagine a World, I think, something like that. And then I'll paste the first link here. Now that was only one of them, so I haven't. Oh man, I misspelled it. There we go. So I'll have a second one that I need to turn in here, and then you'll also paste the link for the second one that's completed, and then you click Submit, and that's all you have to do to turn it in to me. I'm going to close this one out. That is all you have to do for this week, aside from your daily assignments and a Flipgrid. So you'll have the tab right here for Flipgrid. And it's just like the one we did the first week, but it's just a quick check-in. So you'll click Login with Microsoft. And it should log you right in, hopefully. Okay, if this comes up, you're going to put your student number. So for me, I just do my last name, but for you guys, you will do your S number at students.duvalschools.org. Sorry, mine's a little bit different. And then it'll prompt you like this. You can also use the link I gave you in your assignment calendar if you prefer. So I'll put my password here. I think I accidentally put my wrong password. Oh, no, I didn't. Okay, so here is the one that you're recording this week. It's just a quick check-in. Tell me how things are going with your online learning, how you're feeling about it. Give me some feedback, or maybe you want to tell me about some other classes that maybe things are going really great in, and I can get some ideas from that, or things that aren't going so great that will help me do a better job for you guys. And then anything else you want to share. So I know we don't get to see each other every day like we're used to, so if there's anything else you want to share with me, let me know on the Flipgrid. And that's all you have to do for this week. Make sure you're visiting during your office hours, 2 o'clock on Tuesdays and Thursdays, and shoot me an email if you have any questions or problems or issues. I hope you guys have a great week. Bye.